In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete games on a PS5 digital edition. Before we do get into this guide, if it does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you want to delete a game directly from your home screen, just simply highlight it just by, selecting it, and then go ahead and hit the pause or the options button on your controller, scroll down, and then you can hit delete directly on here. And you'll also see an option down below that says keep in home. That essentially means it's going to keep the icon on your home screen but not delete the game. Essentially, just go ahead and select delete if you want to fully remove the game right here. Now, if you want to save storage and see exactly what's taking up the most space, this is the better method. Go up to the settings gear up in the top right corner of your PS5 home screen, select it, and then go down to the console storage option here, select console storage, and then go into your games and apps section right here, and you'll see a full list of all the games and apps installed on your PS5, along with how much storage each one is using. You could also sort the list by pressing the sort icon right to the left to see what's taking up the most storage. But essentially, a game like, Marvel's Spider-Man 2 or Battlefield 6 is taking up the most storage for me. I could go ahead and select one of these and then hit delete and then confirm by hitting OK, and the game will be removed from my console. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.